In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Zoom. If you want a cleaner, more professional look on calls, or you just prefer a bit of privacy, setting a virtual background is a quick and reliable solution. We'll do this in the Zoom desktop application, so make sure you have it installed on your computer and that you're signed into your Zoom account before we begin. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile picture. This opens a small menu where you'll choose Settings. The Settings window is where Zoom keeps all your meeting and video controls in one place, so it's worth knowing your way around. On the left-hand side, click Video and Effects. Depending on your version, this section may appear with a slightly different name, but it's the one that controls your camera and visual appearance. Inside that section, select Virtual Backgrounds. This is where you can tell Zoom to replace your real-world background with an image. You'll see a preview from your camera along with a set of options. Virtual backgrounds work best when your face is well lit and your background has a bit of contrast, ideally a plain wall. If your lighting is dim or your background is too similar to your clothing, Zoom may struggle to separate you cleanly. So a desk lamp aimed indirectly at your face can help a lot. If you want to use your own image, you can upload it directly here. Click the plus button and then click on Add Image. Choose a clear, high-resolution picture from your computer. Landscape-oriented images with a simple composition usually look the most natural. Avoid busy patterns or tiny text that can get distorted. Once you select the file, Zoom will add it to your background list and apply it immediately in the preview so you can see how it looks. If you don't see the result you expect, try adjusting your position so your shoulders and head are centered in the frame, and make sure there's enough space around you for Zoom to separate you from the background. Some computers process virtual backgrounds more smoothly than others, so give it a second to settle after you choose a new image. That's it. Open the Zoom app, confirm you're signed in, go to your profile picture, open Settings, head to Video and Effects, and select Virtual Backgrounds. To use your own look, click the plus button and add your image. With these steps and a few lighting tweaks, your calls will look polished and consistent every time.